Tonight, dozens of Sacramento County homeowners are getting new views in an effort to help fight flooding.
CBS 13's Valina Jones has the details on how residents are spending money to save even more in the long run.
So it was actually very exciting to actually see it going up.
You have to look up to find Jill and Michael Steinbacher's Walnut Grove home, now floating 12 feet above the ground.
They had this house up in 2 days.
Just yards away from the Sacramento River, they are one of hundreds of Sacramento County homeowners at risk of flooding. FEMA is fronting 75% of the cost to raise their home out of danger.
It gets us out of the floodplain.
Repeated flooding throughout the years has left homes saturated with damages, most recently in Wilton and Point Pleasant during 2017.
It was bad. It was a wake-up call. When your house floods, you think, boy, I could flood next time it rains. And that's no way to live. County
Civil Engineer George Booth says 1,000 county homes should consider raising their foundation, partially paid by the $2.6 million FEMA grant. In 2021, they already have 100 homes approved for renovations that will bring yearly savings.
There are people that are paying in excess of $5,000 a year for flood insurance. And once they raise their home, it will be more on the order of $500.
Homes hoisted in the sky,
we call them Jenga blocks,
are given a new foundation, but the extra space can't be used for just anything.
you're not to use it for, bedrooms but people could use it for a ping pong table, a rec room.
Contractors say the minimum 2-month process inspires them, knowing they are helping lift homeowners out of danger.
It's just all smiles when they move in. It's a neat process.
Yeah, they've been busy. The county says raising homes also help save taxpayer money in the long run because FEMA would have to pay much more to fix homes that could be damaged in future floods.